This woman's dermatologist told her she'd never have clear skin until she started eating gummies. What her doctor didn't understand was the powerful connection between gut health and skin appearance. PrimeBiome gummies target this gut-skin axis with a unique blend of probiotics and adaptogens. Meet Sarah, a 38-year-old wellness enthusiast who struggled with adult acne and digestive discomfort for years. She tried countless creams, diets, and even prescription medications, but nothing seemed to work long-term. After discovering PrimeBiome through a friend, Sarah decided to give it a try, hoping for a natural solution. Within just a few weeks, she noticed her skin becoming clearer, her digestion improving, and her confidence returning. Sarah now enjoys going makeup-free and feels energized every day, crediting PrimeBiome for her transformation. Her story is just one of many real success stories from PrimeBiome users around the world. Let's take a closer look at the science behind PrimeBiome and how it supports both gut and skin health. The gut-skin axis is a communication network between your digestive system and your skin, influenced by the trillions of bacteria in your microbiome. When your gut microbiome is balanced, it can reduce inflammation, support nutrient absorption, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. PrimeBiome contains Bacillus coagulans, a clinically studied probiotic known for its ability to survive stomach acid and reach the intestines alive. This probiotic helps restore balance to your gut flora, which can lead to improvements in both digestion and skin clarity. In addition, PrimeBiome includes prebiotic inulin, which feeds the good bacteria and helps them thrive. Anti-inflammatory herbs like ginger and dandelion root further support your body's natural defenses and reduce redness and irritation. Recent studies show that a healthy gut can improve mood, energy, and even sleep quality, making PrimeBiome a holistic wellness solution. Let's explore the gut-skin axis in more detail. Scientists have discovered that the health of your gut microbiome can directly influence the appearance and resilience of your skin. When your gut is out of balance, it can trigger inflammation that shows up as redness, breakouts, or dullness on your skin. PrimeBiome's unique formula includes Bacillus coagulans, which is clinically shown to survive harsh stomach acid and reach your intestines, where it can do the most good. This probiotic strain helps crowd out harmful bacteria, supports immune function, and promotes a balanced environment for healthy skin. PrimeBiome also contains prebiotic inulin, which acts as food for the good bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply. Adaptogenic herbs like ginger and dandelion root help your body adapt to stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall wellness. Recent research suggests that a healthy gut can even improve your mood and energy levels, making PrimeBiome a holistic solution for mind and body. PrimeBiome is made with high-quality, vegan, and gluten-free ingredients, and is manufactured in FDA-registered facilities for your safety. Each gummy is packed with probiotics, prebiotics, and adaptogenic herbs, with no artificial colors or preservatives. Simply take one delicious gummy per day to support your gut and skin health from the inside out. PrimeBiome is suitable for adults of all ages and fits easily into any wellness routine. For best results, use PrimeBiome consistently and pair it with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Thousands of users have shared their positive experiences with PrimeBiome. Many report clearer skin, reduced bloating, and improved mood within the first month of use. One user, Emily, says, "PrimeBiome changed my life. My skin is glowing and I feel better than ever." Another user, Mark, noticed less digestive discomfort and more energy throughout the day. PrimeBiome's community is growing, with people sharing their journeys and supporting each other online. Let's hear more real stories from PrimeBiome users. Jessica, a busy mom, says she finally found relief from bloating and her skin looks better than ever. David, a fitness coach, noticed improved digestion and faster recovery after workouts. He recommends PrimeBiome to his clients for overall wellness. Priya, a college student, struggled with stress breakouts. After a month on PrimeBiome, her skin is clearer and she feels more confident. Many users appreciate that PrimeBiome is vegan, gluten-free, and made with natural ingredients, making it easy to fit into any lifestyle. Health experts agree that supporting your gut microbiome is one of the best things you can do for your skin and overall health. If you're ready to experience the benefits of a balanced gut and radiant skin, PrimeBiome could be your answer. Visit PrimeBiome.com to learn more, read real reviews, and start your wellness journey today. Join the thousands who have transformed their health with PrimeBiome. Your story could be next. PrimeBiome. Real results, real people, real wellness. How can you get the most out of PrimeBiome? Start by taking one gummy each morning with breakfast. Consistency is key for best results. Most users notice improvements in digestion and skin within the first 2 to 4 weeks. Remember, everyone's body is different, so be patient and give it time. PrimeBiome is backed by a satisfaction guarantee and excellent customer support. If you have questions, their team is ready to help. The PrimeBiome brand is committed to transparency, quality, and empowering you to take charge of your wellness journey. Ready to try PrimeBiome? Visit their website to learn more, read FAQs, and join a community of wellness seekers just like you.